Welcome to Siemens Residential Controls. This video will explain the purpose of the advance and boost functions on your RWB29. On the right-hand side of the device are a couple of push buttons that provide advance and boost functions. The advance, or ADV function, brings forward the next switching time. This is used in auto mode, in case your heating needs changing during the heating period. A couple of examples of using this function are: (1) If your times were on at 7 AM and off at 9 AM, followed by on at 5 PM and off at 10 PM, and you press the ADV button at 4 PM, then your heating would come on straight away and go off at 10 PM. (2) If your times were on at 7 AM and off at 9 AM, followed by on at 5 PM and off at 10 PM, and you press the ADV button at 9 PM, then your heating would go off straight away and come on at 7 AM. The boost function, or plus HRS, allows you to increase your heating time in multiples of 1 hour, up to a maximum of 3 hours, and during both the timed on period and during an off period. Using the previous example, if you press the boost button twice, or plus 2 hours at 8 AM, the heating would turn off at 11 AM. If you press the boost button twice, plus 2 hours at 1 PM, the heating would come on immediately and would switch off at 3 PM, before turning at 5 PM. The advance and boost functions are designed to give you effective control of your device without having to change your regular program time settings. For more videos about the RWB29, please click on one of the links above. For videos on our other products, please visit our main channel page.